out.
We got a straight fist fight now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Lighting in here is horrible.
Right, we got two different parades.
Watch the lamp.
Oh my god. I smelled I should probably split them up.
No.
Possibly. No, look at that. Amber's just getting revenge. Come on.
They got Tiffy down and...
Come on, Tim. Push.
And then we got the dog over here railing the toy.
Whoa.
Oh.
Now Amber's really pushing.
Bring ding ding.
They're going at it now.
Suplex. Oh.
This is better than Mark wrestling right here, man. This is better than Nick.
And the dog's just prancing around with the little sex toy.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
I don't know what's funnier, the dog banging the toy in the background or them two fighting. But they're both in the video. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna die.
You really did judge strike. That sucks.
You didn't believe me?
I hope you washed your hands on the sunshine frog.
Abby, the great peacekeeper.
There ya.
I dare ya.
I'm gonna spit in her face.
Woo, that's dirty.